this is the home screen of the application. A very easy application to use. And this application here allows you to edit videos or show videos. Very simple application, but there's a downside. A lot of ads. This application does have a lot of ads, so we keep that in mind. So here you can go in the export section. Pretty much just tap on the plus icon here with the video option or export section. You just tap on the plus option here, and you can either upload your videos from your files section. You can go to the file section and search your documents for the video that you want to upload, or you can tap on the video option here and pretty much go ahead and upload your video. So you tap on this, for example.
This looks like $1 million VFX movie.
As I said before, it will show an ads, and that's pretty much the downside of the application. You can go ahead and skip, and you will see our next ads. So this is pretty much the downside of this application here. As a lot of ads for just a very simple feature where you just import your files or your video. So once you have done that, you pretty much go ahead and exit off, and here be able to pretty much tap on the edit option here, and the only thing you'll be able to do is pretty much crop the video, as you can see here, and also add a tag. So pretty much a word, let's say for example, let's say nothing much for that, and you just add it wherever you want to add it. But that's really pretty much it. Then you go ahead and press on the finish button down here, and you're good to go. So that's really pretty much the application. It's very weird how this application works, but that's how you really use it. And if you have created anything on this application here, you can as well tap on the delete icon and delete your videos. Tap on this at the top, and it will select whatever you need to delete. And yeah, so that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section, see if you can help me. See you in the next one.